Hello friends, finally a great news for IBPS aspirants. The much awaited IBPS RRB 2020 notification released on 30th June 2020. Almost 10,000 vacancies in this recruitment. This is a big recruitment that will be conducted in the banking sector after the coronavirus crisis. So the online link will be activated from today, that is July 1st 2020 onwards, and the last date of application submission is 21st July 2020. So let us see the important dates, exam pattern and other details. Coming to the notification, this is a common recruitment process for recruitment of officers scale 1, 2, 3 and office assistant multipurpose in regional rural banks. Coming to the important dates, online registration including edit and modification of application by candidates is from 1/7/2020 to 21/7/2020 and payment of application fees from 1/7/2020 to 21/7/2020. Download of call letters for pre-exam training is August 12th, 2020 and conduct of pre-exam training between 24th of August to 29th of August and download of call letters for online examination preliminary is in August 2020. Online examination preliminary will be conducted in September or October 2020. Result of the online exam will be in October 2020 and download of call letters for online exam mains will be in either October or November 2020. Online examination mains will be conducted in same October or November 2020. And the declaration of result will be in October or November and download of call letters in October or November and conduct of interview for officer scale 1, 2, 3 will be in October or November and the provisional allotment for officer scale 1, 2, 3 and office assistant multipurpose in January 2021. So the entire recruitment process completed in 6 months duration. So coming to the age limit. What is the age limit for scale 3 senior manager is 21 years above and below 40 years and scale 2 manager above 21 years and below 32 years. For officer scale 1 that is assistant manager above 18 years and below 30 years. For office assistant between 18 years and 28 years. So there will be age relaxation for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward castes, ex-servicemen, widowed and persons affected by 1984 riots. So the age relaxation for SC/ST is 5 years and other backward classes is 3 years. Persons with benchmark disability as defined under the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 is 10 years. For ex-servicemen, for disabled ex-servicemen 8 years. Those who are belong to SC/ST subject to a maximum age limit 50 years. Ex-service commission officer for the post of officers scale 1, 2, 3 it's a 5 years relaxation and widowed and divorced women and women legally separated from their husbands who have not remarried, those are having 9 years of age relaxation and persons affected by 1984 riots is 5 years of age relaxation. What are the education qualifications and experience? For office assistant multipurpose post, bachelor degree is enough and a proficiency in local language as prescribed by participating RRBs. Working knowledge of computer is desirable. No experience required for this post. For officer scale 1 assistant manager, bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university. Proficiency in local language as prescribed by participating RRBs and working knowledge of computer is desirable. So no experience needed for this post also. For officer scale 2 general banking officer manager, bachelor degree is in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with minimum of 50% of marks in aggregate and 2 years of experience as an officer in bank or financial institution. Officer scale 2 specialist manager officers, information technology officer, bachelor degree is required in electronics, communication or computer science or information technology. 1 year of experience is required in relevant field. For desirable certificates in ASP, PHP, C++, Java, VB, VC, OCP, etc. For Chartered Accountant, Certified Associate from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, 1 year experience is required in relevant field as a Chartered Accountant. For law officers, degree from a recognized university in law with minimum 50% marks in aggregate. 2 years experience as an advocate or should have worked as a law officer in banks or in financial institutions for a period of not less than 2 years. Treasury Manager. Chartered accountant or MBA graduates eligible for treasury manager post. 1 year of experience is required in relevant field. For marketing officers, MBA in marketing from a recognized university. 1 year of experience in relevant field is required. For agricultural officers, bachelor degree in agriculture, horticulture, dairy, animal husbandry, forestry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate, 2 years of experience in relevant field. For officer scale 3, senior manager, bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or equivalent with 50% minimum marks in aggregate. So minimum 5 years of experience as an officer in any bank or financial institutions. So all these education qualification mentioned should be from a university or institution or board recognized by Government of India, approved by government regulatory bodies, and the result should have been declared on or before 21/7/2020. What is the application fee for this post? For officer scale 1 to 3, rupees 175 for SC ST, rupees 850 for all others. For office assistant multipurpose, rupees 175 for SC ST PWDB and ex-servicemen, rupees 850 for all others. Online examination structure. For office assistant, reasoning section and numerical ability section there. For each section consists of 40 questions, total of 80 questions with 80 maximum marks for the duration of 45 minutes. For officer scale 1, reasoning and quantitative aptitude, total 80 questions. Each section consists of 40 questions and maximum of 80 marks with the duration of 45 minutes. Main examinations: objective, office assistant multipurpose, reasoning, computer knowledge, general awareness, either English or Hindi, numerical ability. Number of questions: each section consists of 40 questions, total of 200 questions with the maximum number of marks 200. The exam duration is 2 hours. For officers scale 1, reasoning, computer knowledge, general awareness, English language, Hindi, quantitative aptitude. You can choose either English language or Hindi language. Number of questions with each section 40, total number of questions 200 with maximum number of marks 200. The exam duration is 2 hours. For officer scale 2, general banking officers, reasoning, computer knowledge, financial awareness, either English or Hindi language, quantitative aptitude. Same 200 questions with 200 marks, duration of 2 hours. For officer scale 2 specialist cadre, professional knowledge, reasoning, financial awareness, either English language or Hindi language, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. Each section consists of 40 questions with total 240 questions with maximum marks 200. Time duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. For officer scale 3, reasoning, computer knowledge, financial awareness, either English language or Hindi language, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. With each section consists of 40 questions with total 200 questions, maximum marks 200. Time duration is 2 hours. There is a penalty for wrong answers, 1/4 of marks assigned penalty. Mode of payment online only. You can find the vacancies under CRP RRB 11. For example, Andhra Pradesh Andhra Pragati Gramin Bank consists of no posts for office assistants, and Chaitanya Godavari Bank for SC 16, for ST 7, for OBC 28, EWS 10, General 43 and ex-servicemen 50. So like this, each state consists of several vacancies. You can find almost 10,000 vacancies in respective states. So guys, this is a good opportunity for everyone, those who are eagerly waiting for this big recruitment. So prepare well, stay focused, stay home, all the best. If you have any doubts, please write down in comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.